This video was brought to you by a better planner, Kempower, Markus Bil, Stormberg and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now here with Markus Bil, my sponsor.
Thank you.
And also the Plaid. The Plaid is back. Well, actually, we never took a whole story about what the heck happened, but okay, I need to ask Markus, and what happened with the Plaid?
I was taking the car home with me, and just that one night in the garage, big garage at my new private place, the whole garage got flooded with water. Never been so much water in 15 years. And so I feel the water is coming. I sold the old business place because of water problem, and now it's come to my new private home. So it's no shit happens. Insurance case.
It was Hans, right? The Storm Hans.
The Storm Hans, and I was thinking it was water here, but maybe the water was going a little bit more up. So the connection to the main battery was corroded. So they really had to change the whole main battery. So it was so much work and take the car out, insurance. So I lost even more head because of this problem.
Okay, but okay. So it was covered by insurance at least.
Oh, thank God!
It was around 280k NOK, around
28,000 euros.
Yeah, yeah, around 27,000 euros. Really expensive repair, but then at least insurance covered it, so that's good. And the Plaid is now back. Do we see any signs of the damage or anything like that, or how is it?
No, we just we opened here with the jump starters, and you see a little bit what they've been working inside here with the 12-volt battery inside, but you don't see anything. So,
but I forgot to tell you. So there was a big ass repair. We couldn't cover it because it was, you know, Tesla. They don't allow you to film, but the Plaid has a new battery now. I wonder if they reset the BMS. I need to check it out. Hook on ScanMyTesla one day.
And my friends joke with me, it's only 75 battery, so it's no hard driving and no more speed. So we just have to drive with the 75 battery 1 year before we get the real battery.
Yeah, but we'll see how it is then with the Plaid now, branch banking new battery. How the degradation, or I need to look at the numbers. You guys also probably want to see, because this car at least has done, was it 10 or 20,000 kilometers now? You remember?
25.
25,000, you know, it's been all over the place. Everyone has been in there, you know, it's like a, yeah, okay, I shouldn't say it in video. Yeah, but okay, so yeah, the Plaid is back at least. Eventually I need to borrow it again and do some more tests. But I feel like maybe the Plaid stuff has been almost kind of used up now. But I heard that we are still not done with the Plaid. Because you have something you want to show me.
Yeah, I was going to you the next day, so...
oh, look at that! Oh, I forgot to show you guys this aftermarket, but wait. Oh yeah, round steering wheel. Wow, what an upgrade! That's funny, man. In a Tesla, you have to upgrade to a round steering wheel. So let me see. Do you have? Okay, you still have the blinkers there. Yeah, and even the horn is still not here. It's there. Oh, you took him now. Yeah. So So we're gonna put on the round steering wheel in the Plaid, and then I'll test it and see how much better it is.
And even one more thing. What is this?
What is that? Oh, I see lots of dust. It's for Frankenstein. So you know that, yeah, Markus, he had that interior, and this is the center console thing for the Leaf, the missing link. Yeah. And then, holy shit, what the heck did you do here? Oh shit, we need to clean this up, full of schmutz. But here, the new seats, they have heater, and you have the switch for the heater here, heated seats. And supposedly Valdemar, he can then do some he can do some work with Frankenstein, because originally, you know, Frankenstein does not have the 12 volt for the heated seats, but I think he would just pull 12 volt from somewhere. So we need to upgrade it. That will also be another project. Yeah. So besides testing new cars, we also have to test old cars, retest old cars.
We must do more old car project.
Yeah, because
Ioniq?
Ioniq,
Classic?
Classic Ioniq. Yeah, because I think maybe we need to tease one more thing, is that I asked Marcus, hey, you guys probably know some of the story. Do you want to buy Millennium Falcon? And he was like, yeah, I'm not sure. I also asked Nasir and I asked Valdemar, and they were like, yeah, not sure. And then I was like, yeah, but you can rent a Millennium Falcon, you know. Marcus, he thinks like a businessman, and he was like, wait, what if someone borrows Millennium Falcon and then the Millennium Falcon breaks down halfway to Tromsø in winter? What do you do then, right? Yeah, well, yeah, that's a good point. But I think you already
we have a plan.
You have a plan, maybe.
Yeah.
So you're considering, you want to buy him, right?
Yeah, we want to buy it, and we want to see if we can get some of your followers who wanted to rent Millennium Falcon. So maybe we'll do about 10 to 20 rent out during 1 year. So it's not too much. It will be free charging, free kilometer, and so we want people to come from 3-4 weeks and want to have good time and rent Millennium Falcon. But we give it a name. Name.
Yeah, but you know what? Okay, because you are concerned about breakdowns with Millennium Falcon. But did you know that the videos with the most views in my channel, some of them, they are the one where stuff fails. Tesla fails.
But what I'm afraid of, that you have to go to rescue mission and I have to babysit home at your place.
No, okay, but if that happens, okay, if I'm available, yeah, then I might go on a little rescue mission, yeah. But you know, we should just, if stuff happens, just like what happened in the past with Optimus Prime, Millennium Falcon, MC Hammer, you just have to milk the situation. Yeah, and whatever happens is part of the story. Yeah, but I mean, Nasir, he replaced half of the undercarriage on the Millennium Falcon. It's not going to break down anytime soon. So you know, we should be fairly safe there. As long as I think the point is that as long as you maintain the car, don't let it kind of, what do you call it, forfalle, you know, don't let it degrade. Then normally it should not break down for no reason.
And the ground cables and all this common fault has been done on the car, so yeah. It should be pretty reliable. So if you have a good time and want to see Norway, I think it's a top car and good space.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah, we should definitely try to do something like that. And there's also some few things we need to do with the Millennium Falcon. Maybe inspect a little bit. The door handle was repaired, but it's still semi-broken. The rear one, it pops out when it's out when I'm driving.
I think we should do a rebuild of all the door handles, so just to be sure it's not so much work. They have this after thing they do with it, so yeah.
Yeah, and this time we will we will go to Valdemar.
Yeah.
Elbilmek. Yeah, so he can do that stuff, and then we'll see. So yeah, that would be more upcoming. And also want to know, you guys, are you guys interested in renting Millennium Falcon? It would be, you know, it's not just a car, it's a legend. It's the legend.
You're renting out your friend, your family member.
Yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. But okay, and also another thing I'll point out here. Yeah, the anhangerkopplung is here. So we have now attached it, and then this is the. You kind of remember it, right? This is the Model Y I tested a little bit ago, and I still have some stuff I need to do. I'm going to do 1,000 kilometer challenge with a trailer, and I look at the aftermarket light. I mean, how do you do this again? You have to. Oh, look at that! Oh shit! Marcus, you want to take that thing off? Why do you want to take it off, Marcus?
Because it's not original, and the ones buying the car can have like a problem with Tesla. You know, this not original part on the Tesla. They they always want to give you like a hard time. So here on the Plaid, we have the electric.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
So now I see the button inside don't work, so they don't put it back again after service. So now we have to go to Sondre at Bilkomponenter and please could you fix it again?
Yeah. Well, that's a bummer because Tesla, they tend to do lots of custom stuff, Tesla owners. And it's sad that Tesla themselves are so strict about things.
But this car, when you pay like over 1 million Norwegian kroner, and it's not like it's manual. It's like yeah.
Yeah, that's a bummer. All other brands they have it. You know,
Yeah.
Lucid has it. Just saying. Well, okay. So that was a little bit intro teaser. What's going on?
And you see, it's missing one. This is.
What the heck, man? Shit. Huh?
And you see.
Wait, what the heck happened here?
Missing some.
Gee, what's wrong here? Wait, is okay.
And you're wondering why I'm taking it away?
Yeah, okay. It's some kind of Chinese stuff that doesn't work properly. Okay, in that regard, maybe we should remove it. Is this Sondre, Bilkomponenter?
He's going to take it out, but it's not coming from him. The
okay.
previous owner bought it from the internet.
Yeah, okay.
And wrong installed it. I asked Sondre, so...
Okay, install it incorrectly, that's why. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, okay. So anyway, that was a little bit of a skirmish between me and Marcus. So, and of course, I forgot to mention one thing when it comes to Millennium Falcon, is that we have to remove Mr. Green sticker. You guys know the story, I already told you. So we will put on Marcus Bil sticker there.
Yeah.
And then I'm still not done with with Millennium Falcon. There are a few things I need to do, for example, Sunday driving. I want to know how far can you actually drive a 10-year-old Tesla. It's not that much, but okay. And also, I want to go to Bodø. One last epic road trip to Bodø to retrieve Optimus Prime's trailer wheels. Summer wheels are there. The problem is not getting there and back again. That's no problem. The problem is for me to get approval from my wife. Because she has to be home alone with Isabel.
And what I want also, so we can do the upgrade to the next generation front seats in the.
Ooh.
So we have some. We have two sets of one little bit, two different types of refurbished seats that we can use for the car.
Okay, well, okay, that's interesting. I just have to maybe ask you guys opinion. Should we start modifying Optimus? Sorry, Millennium Falcon. Or should we actually try to keep him as original as possible? Frankenstein, he's done, you know. Frankenstein, we do all the upgrades, but Millennium Falcon, in one way, I want to upgrade maybe stuff, but also I also want to keep it original.
But you know what I call this interior color? I call it bice.
Okay, bice, yeah. That means shit.
It's the color is beige. It's no, beige, yeah. It's very beige, very light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But okay, anyway, a little bit of everything here. Tesla stuff, of course, with Marcus. And also, can also say that in the future, after, if everything goes as planned now, hopefully, we move over to Jessheim, and I will use the Frankenstein for a while, but then I will soon realize that Frankenstein's range is way too low.
Even for you?
Yeah, because I have to drive from Jessheim to Oslo to do some business, right? And it's not going to cut it. So eventually I have to get rid of Frankenstein. But then we were talking about classic Ioniq. Well, you were actually you were into BMW i3.
But I think we're going to do the 60, 94 and 120 to test to really dive into the things about the i3, because it's I think it's a very good city car, and even you can go longer distance with it. So it's only in very snowy condition, it's not so good, but either it's I really like it. You sit good, and yeah.
Okay, well, I want to also ask the people, which car do you guys want? It should be something affordable, around like 100, 150,000 NOK, 10, 15,000, yeah, whatever, 10, 15,000 euros, right? So I'm thinking maybe classic Ioniq or some i3 or whatever. Also, you touch also into a 30 kilowatt hour Leaf. Yeah.
But I know you have like, if we do something, you have one, it must have one thing, fast charging.
Yeah, of course. Are you gonna push some classic Fiat? No. I hope that time is over and I don't have to dick around with a Fiat 500e, man.
It's this Leaf and this first generation. It's very good when you have like, you can go to work, charge at work, go home, and you have charging in both ends. It's no problems. But either it's hard to. It used lots of time to stop charging out, and yeah. In the first generation Leaf in Norway in the winter, it's hard to. It will not cut it for you when you live outside of the city.
Yeah. But before we end, before we let Frankenstein go to a new owner, I also have to do some challenges on whatever. We have to milk it for whatever it's worth before we sell it. Yeah. So I'm actually planning some races with Frankenstein, and we will try to get race with Powell again. You know. So if you can try to get an iMia for Powell. Yeah, you want?
This is. Or maybe it must be like 150 kilometer, and then he can drive the Fiat 500.
Oh shit! Oh, no, Fiat is going to lose anyway. But we'll figure out something. Yeah, some races. We have to go back to that game again. Yeah. But yeah. Anyway, a lot of everything here. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and of course let me know what you think about what I asked earlier.
Yeah.
And I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I messed up the whole ending now. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Bye bye.